Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can make a delicious sauce while using canned beans. I do have a video up where I'm using the dry beans, but if you don't have time to cook the dry beans and you want to go ahead and get some dinner ready, go ahead and buy yourself organic. It must be organic. And this one, I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can see. The ingredients are just black beans, organic black beans, water, and sea salt. So we're going to add in our black beans, liquid and all. I like this particular brand because I showed you what the ingredients are. It's nothing strange. So we're going to blend up our black beans. Okay? And I'm not blending all of it. So I'm going to use another half of this can. Let's see if I can get the beans only. All right, to your pot, you want to add a little bit of olive oil, like that. All right, now you want to add, I'm going to add my minced garlic, onions, and I have some cloves in here. And you're just going to allow this to get brown just a little. After it starts to get brown, I'm going to go ahead and add in my whole beans. And I forgot to mention, make sure you get the organic one that's low sodium, okay? And now I'm going to add my pureed beans. And like I said, you can strain it, but I'm going to show you the finished product. There's no reason to strain it because this breaks it down pretty well. So it turns it into a nice puree. And you don't have the chunk of the skin in here. So this breaks it down pretty well. Now, if you have a blender that does not, or a processor that does not break it down, then yes, you want to strain it. But this does an excellent job. So I'm going to add just a little bit of water. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Just because we want this to cook. I'm going to add some water. So I would say you want to add about a cup of water. You want to give it a nice stir. Looking fabulous. Now, what I will add is our fresh thyme and fresh parsley. You could tie yours up. I don't. I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet. And for flavor, I'm going to add just a little bit of my non-MSG Maggie base, okay? Chicken base. Okay, this is what it's looked like. Add a little bit. So if you eat Maggie, you could add just a little bit in here. You don't want to overdo it. What's going to give it all the great flavor is our onion, our garlic, our thyme, our clove, our parsley, and our coconut milk. Can't forget your coconut milk. You could either use coconut cream, the pure coconut cream, or coconut milk. Since I have this can open already, I'm going to go ahead and use coconut milk. And this coconut milk is organic, and the ingredients is pure coconut milk. There's nothing else in here. Okay. You want to give this a stir. And you want to add some black pepper in here also. And you just allow this to boil for a few minutes until it gets this nice thick consistency. Well, not too thick. I'll show you the consistency. All right, now I want to add some butter and allow it to cook for About 2 more minutes because it's about done. Because remember, our beans are already cooked. I just wanted to develop all of that nice flavor from our natural herbs. All right, so we're going to allow it to cook for about 2 more minutes, and then I'll come back. All right, guys. Here's our pureed beans. See? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just want to show you our final product. For those who would say, oh, she did not strain it, I want you to see how smooth it is, and you do not see the chunks of the skin. Okay? Absolutely delicious, delicious, delicious. So if you don't have time to boil your beans, it's okay. Go ahead and grab some organic beans and enjoy. Until next time, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe.